Good day everyone. Welcome to Teacher Julie channel. Hello everyone. We have our new topic in MAPEH Health, which is all about dimensions of human sexuality. This will be the first quarter topic and week 1. This topic is a milk-based. For the most essential learning competencies, after going through this lesson, you are expected to first is to explain the dimensions of human sexuality. So you are going to identify the different dimensions of one's personality and to express the importance of dimensions on human sexuality. So before we proceed to our proper discussion, so let's have a pre-test first. So for the direction, all you have to do is to arrange the scrambled letters to form the correct word related to the dimensions of one's personality. Sex is a major aspect of personality, so it is closely related to emotional and social development and can be best understood by connecting it to the total adjustment of the individual in the family and society. The process of sexual development begins from birth to adulthood, thus it is a continuous developmental process throughout life. The purpose of gender and human sexuality education is to promote wholesome family and interpersonal relationships. It aims to provide knowledge and skills needed to establish and practice healthful behaviors. Finally, it aims to produce students who are responsible and have a healthy sexuality. Sexuality involves the physical, mental, social, emotional, and ethical dimensions of one's personality. Sexuality refers to your total self. Physical self, it is the way you look as a man or a woman. Mental self, it is the way you think as a man or a woman. Social self, it is the way you interact with others. Emotional self, it is the way you feel about yourself and others. And the last one, the ethical self, it is the way you value the relationships. Sexuality means you need to be aware of yourself better. So, as you get older, you'll experience a variety of social, emotional, and physical changes. As this occur, you need an extensive knowledge on how to deal with your attitudes and behavior. So, sexuality, it refers to your attitudes and behavior towards yourself. Healthy sexuality means taking high sense of responsibility for all your actions, since this can affect your self-esteem, decision making, and behavior. Sexuality can be best understood through the help of the people around you. So sexuality, it refers to your perceptions, feelings, and behaviors towards others. So the way you see yourself is influenced by many people. So it is important to maintain good relationships with others. So they will support you and give you confidence, provide companionship, and will keep you from being lonely. The following are the healthy sexuality encompasses the following characteristics. The first one is the self-love. So it is your acceptance of yourself. The second one is the self-knowledge. It is where your understanding of your feelings and your character. And the third one is the self-confidence. It is your awareness of the things that you can do well. And the fourth one is the self-respect. So it is where you regard for yourself as a worthwhile person. And the last one is the self-expression. It is your way of showing your individuality in expressing yourself as a man or as a woman. Now let us proceed to the assessment part. For question number 1, it refers to how an individual value the relationship. A. Emotional self. B. Ethical self. C. Physical self. Or D. Social self. The answer is letter B. For question number 2, Melody is a friendly person. She loves to interact with other people. What dimension of one's personality is manifested? A. Emotional self. B. Ethical self. C. Physical self. Or D. Social self. The answer is letter C. For question number 3, it refers to how a person feels about himself and others. A. Emotional self. B. Ethical self. C. Mental self. Or D. Physical self. The answer is letter A. For question number 4, Marie is conscious about how she looks physically. What personality dimension is being described? A. Emotional self. B. Ethical self. C. Mental self. Or D. Physical self. The correct answer is letter D. For the last question, it refers to how a man and woman think. A. Emotional self. B. Ethical self. C. Mental self. Or D. Physical self. The correct answer is letter C.